So good day. We are on the management of building transportation system. So this is the introduction of our report, which is a building transportation system. It is a system for conveying people in buildings. The second is the mechanical transportation of people and goods is an energy using service that needs the designer's attention at the earliest stage of building design. And the last one is the system includes elevators, escalators, and walkolators. So let's proceed now sa elevators, or lift. Elevator or lift, it is a vertical transportation equipped that efficiently move people or goods between floors or building, vessels, or other structure. So, ang each building or hotel, dapat yun mag-provide og elevator para mas dali ang mga guest or ang mga or ang mga tao nga moadto sa laing floor. And there are two basic types of elevator. The first one is hydraulic lifting platform is pushed upward and downward by plunges. The second is traction electric lift. So ang common nga ginagamit sa mga hotels kay kuan kining traction electric lift mao na siya common nga ginagamit. And now we are on the elevator lift. Passenger lift are provided for buildings of over 3 stories or less if wheelchair movement is needed. So ang hotel nga more than 3 stories dapat gina sila mag-provide og elevators, and minimum standards is one lift for each 4 stories with a maximum walking distance of 45 meters 45 m between workstation and lift lobby. Prestige requirement require higher standards depend on the rent earnings potential. And elevator lifts, peak demands for lift service is assessed from the building size, shape, height, and population. 25% of the population require transportation during 5 minutes peak period. Congestions at peak travel time is minimized by arranging the lift lobbies and cul-de-sac of 2 lift doors on either side of 4 doors along one wall. Construction specifications of lift are given in BS 5655 and 2989, and BS Code of Practice is 407 and 1972. Car speed for various travels distance see table 1. So this is the table 1 design lift car speed. Ang floor niya, floor 4, 9, 15 and over 15 ang car speed mean mile per second. Ang 4 floors kay 0.75, 9 kay 2, 15 is 3 and over 15 is 5 to 7. And elevators left hydraulic lifting platform is pushed upward downward by plunges. Ram liquid oil high pressure water is forced into withdraw to create movement. A pump is used to control the liquid, suitable for moderate car speed and fairly short travel. Example, hospital. Speed range between 0.12 miles or meters per second and 1 m per second with maximum height of 21 meters. Machines room are usually located at the lowest level. Types: direct acting, suspended, holeless, and elevators lift hydraulic. Direct acting, single cylinder that bored into the ground with a cylinder having dip that reaches the highest of the plunger. Elevators left hydraulic. Suspended requires one or two ramps to suit the load allocated, and shaft not in the ground hole, utilizing the telescopic format to extend the plunges upward. So this is the suspended type. So that is the suspended type. And the elevator's hydraulic advantages: eliminating rooftop structure, power pack at low level, small machine rooms and can be located at some distance from the shaft. Load imposed on the shaft is far more less, offering structure cost economies. No brake or gears necessary, no pulleys or driving sheaves, no counterweight, and a large left car can sometimes be used for a given wall size. Extremely accurate floor leveling can be achieved. Acceleration and travel is very smooth. So mo na siya ang advantages sa elevator left hydraulic. And simplification of shaft structure design. Elevators electric. Principals component lifting platform, lifting machinery, counterweight cables. Geared. Location of gear between motor and drive sheaves. Small motors provide gear reduction ratio and efficient and comfort. Employed for medium speed and medium height application. Used in building with greater height and greater lifting capacity. Gearless. P-axis upward movement heights for gearless are limited by technology, feasibility, and cost limitation. The need ascent distance will be limited by factors of mechanical performance capabilities. Some commercially available gearless elevators can move up at rates more than the speed suggested in the table 2. So this is the table 2 electric lift specifications. So ang geared niya, ang iyang height of ascent F per m to 300 to 90. Number of stops is 30. Ang iyang speed is 300 to 500. Ang lifting capacity is 2,000 to 4,000. Gearless to 500 to 700 plus. Ang iyang numbers of stops is 30 to 80. Speed is 500 to 1,200. Ang plus, ang lifting capacity sa gearless is 2,000 to 4,000. Ang elevators lift electric. Principles of operations: single wrap traction, geared machines, or gearless lower speed. Wrapping arrangements. So we are on the double wrap traction. The use of diversion polar increase the risk of roof slip. Double wrap poly reduce the frictional area of roof with the diving sheave used on high speed and heavily loaded elevators. Elevators lift electric. Roping type A used with geared machines at lower car speeds halves the load on the shelves and allow the use of high-speed motors. The disadvantage is the length of the rope is 3 times of the single wrap system. Roping type B used for heavy goods elevators where it is required to reduce and motor power and pressure acting upon the bearing. And the elevators left electric. Size depends on the size and speed of car, types of door. Pit must permits over travel and watertight with proper drainage. Buffer seats to the base, sprigs or oil to reduce impact, allowing air to escape below and above moving car to prevent air pressure building, plus smoke vent with an obstructed opening. No other surface should accommodate shelves. No constructed reinforced concrete or brickwork sufficient strength to carry load and superimposed. Elevators or left electric, so size depends on the size and speed of car, type of doors, and pits must permits over travels and watertight with proper drainage. Buffer seats to the base or spring or oil reduce impact. So, muna na siya. Ang elevator, left, electric, left doors. 2 sets of doors are required at lift entrances. The first one is car doors fitted to the left car. The second is landing doors fitted to the left and shelf enclosure. Open metalworks enclosures are no longer allowed. Landing doors and must have no means by which an authorized person can open them from a landing. Door may be of the following types. So the first one is type left side opening. The second is two left sentry opening. Single left side opening. Elevator left. The location consideration. Location of buildings entrances should be located in the central area, or if not, should be centralized. Groupings better grouped than spread, reduce installation costs. Staircase location. Demand of the reduced of passengers pass stairs first before left. Department stores easily seen and accessible. Encounter visits upper floors hospitals. Biz left requires near operation theaters. Lobbies desirable and large enough to allow traffic visible from entrance halls. So that's the end. Thank you.